Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have with me my makeup artist. She's going to make my face. I've not had the face beat in a long time, so we're going to see what she can do. Okay, so you guys should watch out.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me
Shut.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Jesus Christ!
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me
I've never
now.
had so much makeup on my face in my entire life until today.
In the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
What do you guys think about my makeup? You guys should rate between 1 and 10. You guys should rate in the comment section. I'm going to reply every comment. I'm going to drop her link in the description box. So you follow her on Instagram. You can follow her on. Are you on Twitter? Okay, so you can follow her on Instagram or Facebook. Yeah, I'm going to drop her link in the comment section. You guys also check my IG. You would see her page. I will tag her in the comment section. This is it. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Do you think you want this makeup for all your birthday shoots, my friends? Birthday shoots, photo shoots. Guys, I have never been bit to the guts like this in my entire life.
Say what you wanna say.